Yes, guys. So in this lecture series 10, okay, I have to continue with circles as I promised you. Okay, as I promised with you that in the next lecture series I'll continue with the circles because there are 4 lecture series 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so up to this, I mean 10. I've taken again 19, 17 questions now. Previously I took in 9th lecture series 19 questions and they are solved. Okay, or those questions I solved and in which some of the basics were clarified. Now further some basics or some maybe repeated basics, but basics of circles are same. Area, circumference, okay, then what is the length of the perpendicular from the center to the chord, bisect the chord, perpendicular from center to the tangent at the point of contact, it's right angle. Okay, that is a number of points are there. Those clarifications, if okay, here whatever facts comes out, I'll just talk about them also. Okay, let me take these questions one by one so that we can complete it within time. Let me take question number 1. So continuation from lecture series 9. This is 10th lecture series, but I have taken more questions based on circles. Okay, so first question is how much distance a wheel having diameter of 126 meter will cover in 500 rounds. Okay, so 126 meters is the diameter. Okay, I would say that how much distance a wheel having diameter of 126 meters will cover in 500 rounds. Rounds are 500. Distance, you have to find that what's the distance this will cover. Let me take the circle here, the wheel. The wheel is having, actually wheel is a circular form. Okay, is in the circular form. Let me take this wheel like this. Okay, so this is the wheel and the diameter is 126 meters. The total is 126. Let me take the center, 126 meters. Okay, diameter AB. So radius will be half of this. That means 2 6 12 and 2 3 so 63 centimeters. Okay, meters, sorry, 63 meters is the radius. R is equal to, so here R radius is equal to 63 meters. Of this, how much distance a wheel having diameter of 126 meters, it means this may be a wheel of certain large diameter. Okay, this is 126 meters, not centimeters. Try to understand. So in and will cover. So how much distance we have to find out? We know that in one round the distance traveled is the circumference equal to the circumference of the wheel. So this is circle. The circle is said to be around about 1 revolution, or it will take 1 revolution. If I start from, suppose this is the circle, let me take, and this is the point. But this point, when it moves ahead, then this point will start from here, and when the this point again touches the earth, that means this 1 revolution is completed. This is how a circle is revolved, and the point at the moment on the earth again comes on the earth in the round of that. That is 1 revolution or 1 round. In this way, 500 rounds are there. So in 1 round, what is the distance traveled? Equivalent to the circumference. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference, let me take what is given to us. Given a wheel with diameter is equal to 126 meters. 126 meters is the diameter. Okay, and number of rounds it travels or it makes is equal to 500. So in 500 rounds, how much distance is traveled? Okay, so to find distance traveled distance traveled by the wheel in making 500 rounds. Okay, in 500 rounds, how much distance it will travel? So now let me take the distance traveled in one round. Solution. Your solution is distance traveled in one round is equivalent to the circumference of the circle. Okay, distance traveled in one round equal to the circumference of the circle or circular wheel, in this case of circular wheel. That means 2 pi into r, then 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 63. So 7 9 is 63. Okay, 9 to the 18. This is 18 into 9 to the 18, 22. So this is equal to 18 to the 36, 6, 3 carry, 18 to the 36 and a 3, 39. This is 396 meters, because radius is in meters, as r is equal to, here since r equal to, let me write in bracket, since r, the radius equal to, let me take radius, the radius is equal to 63 meters. 63 meters. Okay, as we have calculated here, so diameter is 126 meters. So the radius will be half of this diameter. That is 63 meters radius. So 2 pi r is equal to 396 meters. This is value of one round. Okay, if I multiply this in one round, distance traveled is this. So in 500 rounds, how much distance it will travel? Into 500. Let me find. Therefore, distance traveled in 500 rounds. Okay, traveled by the wheel. Let me take by the wheel. Traveled by the wheel in 500 rounds equal to circumference. Let me write circumference into, or we can say that distance traveled in one round, that means equivalent to circumference, into 500. This is equal to 396 into 500 is equal to 00. 5 6 is 30, again 0, 3 carry, 5 9 is 45 and 3 48, 8, 4 carry, 5 3 is 15 and 4 19 is equal to 19. This is 198,000 meters. How much distance? In meters. So let me write here distance traveled. Therefore, distance traveled in 500 rounds. This is by the wheel. Actually, we are talking about the wheel. So, distance traveled by the wheel in 500 rounds is equal to this much, 198,000. 198,000 meters. This distance it has traveled. This is the answer here. Okay, so question number first we have completed. Now see how the question is given. In 500 rounds, how much distance it will travel? The diameter is this. Okay, so we first found out the radius of the circle or the wheel, and then in one circumference, in one round, the distance traveled is equivalent to the circumference. So first circumference find, then multiply it by 500. Total distance will be traveled by the can be calculated by or traveled by the wheel. In this way, this is the answer. Question number 1. Let us talk about question number 2. What is question number 2 talk about? Let me take that question. Now question number 2 here is, now it says a square park of 120 meter sides is having a circular lawn in the midst having 98 meters diameter. Okay, in the midst, got the point. Diameter meters, there is a square here of 120 meters side. The side of this square is 120 meters. Alright, this is 120 meters, 120 meters, 120 meters. So this is a square here, all sides are equal. That we know about. Now it says that in the midst, in the central point, there is a circular park here. Okay, a square park of 120 meter sides is having a circular lawn in the midst. In the midst there is a circular lawn. And what is the radius of circular lawn? I would say this is 98 meters, having meters diameter. Diameter is 98 meters. 98 meters, total distance is 98 meters. In midst it says that's 98 minus 120. 120 minus 98. So we are left with 2 plus 20, that means 22. Means 11 meters here. It has left, sorry, 11 meters. And 11 meters here left. So it is a central park, central point. So what we have to find out then? Okay, so the radius is half of this, that is 46. Oh no, this is 49. Okay, 49 is the radius of this. This is O, A point. A we have taken, so let me take this is OP. P point here. So 49 meters is the radius of the circular park inside the figure. Okay, let us take next one. Next one, what does it say? I would say further 98 meters diameter. What is the area of the rest of the park? Simple question. Area of the circle find out with radius 49 meters. Area of the park. Okay, subtracted from area of the square. Simple. So area, let me find what is the question number 2 says. Okay, so what is given to us? Here we are given a square park. We are given a square park with side 120 meters and a central or a park, playing park, or what is that? Having a circular lawn and a circular lawn in midst of the square of diameter. A circular lawn in midst of the square of diameter 98 meters is also given. To find, okay, no need of finding out this 11, nothing. Now we can just easily calculate this. Okay, to find the area of the remaining park. What is the area of the rest of the park? Area of the rest of the park. Rest of the park. Okay, so this is required here. Solution. Now solution here. area of the rest of the park is equal to area of the square minus area of the circular lawn here, a circular lawn inside in the central part of the field, of the circular field. There was a square part of the park. Okay, so this is area of the square park here, area of the square park minus area of the circular lawn in central part of the park. We can have side square, area of the square is side square, this is side square minus area of the circle is pi into, let me take capital R square, radius of the circle. Here side square is 120 square, the side of the square is 120 minus pi is 22.7 into R square. R square is 49 into 49 as the radius of the circular lawn equal to 98/2, which is 49 meters. This 49, so 7 is 49. Now let us multiply this and find out the area. Therefore, required area is equal to 120 whole square minus 22 into, now 7 into 49 only. Okay, because 7 pi means 22.7, 7 is 49. This is pi r square. So this is the value here. Let us say, okay, multiplication 1200 into 1200, sorry, 120 into 120, that means 144. 12 into 12, 24, 4 to carry 12 in your 1. Okay, so this is 00. For 12 square is 144, 00 minus this value. This is 7 to the 14, 4. 1 carry, 7 to the 14, 150, 154 into 49. Okay, so let me multiply that and then subtract it. The remaining area, the rest of the area will be calculated. So this is 154,049. We find the calculation, multiplication in one line. So 4 9 is 36, 6 3 carry, 9 5 is 45, 4 4 is 16, 45 and 16, 45 and 16 is 61. Yeah, 61 plus 3 64. This is 6 carry. 9 1 is 9. Okay, and 4 0 0 5 4 is 20, 20 and 9 29, 29 plus 6, 29 plus 6 35, 5 3 carry. Okay, 4 1 is 4, 5 0 0, so 4 and 3 7. Then nothing, because 1 into 0 is 0. This is the value, 7,546 total value is. Again, let me check it. 9 4 is 36, 6 3 carry, 9 5 is 45, 4 4 is 16 and 45, 61 and 61 and this 3 carry, 64, 4 6 carry, 9. Okay, 9 1 is 9. Okay, and this 4 0 0, 5 5 5 4 is 20, 20 and 9 29, 29 plus 6 carry, 29 plus 6 35, 5 3 carry, and 4 1 is 4, 5 0 0, nothing else, only 4 plus 3 7. Okay, because 1 into 0 0. This is the value here. Let me write 14,400 minus 7,546. So subtract it. Let me subtract it. This is 10 minus 6 4, 1 carry 5, and 10 minus 5 5, again 1 carry. 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6 is 9. Yeah, 14 minus 6, 8. Okay, this is 14 minus 6, 8. 1 carry again, so this is 8 here. So 14 minus 8 is 6 again, 6,854. This is the difference. Or if I just do it here, simple, 400, and this is 7,546. Now subtract easily. 10 minus 6 4, 1 carry, or 9 minus 4 5, 1 carry. 13 minus 5 8, 1 carry. 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7 here. Okay, 13 minus 5 8, that we have taken already. So 13 minus 6, 7 6, it is 6 here, 6,854 square meter. Square meters. This is the answer here. So area of the rest of the park, Central Park, we have to subtract this area, central area, which is of the lawn, circular lawn, which is inside the park, square park. The difference of these two areas is the answer here. Okay, so that we have calculated 6,854 square meters the area here. So this is the answer. Okay, now next question. Question number 3. Let me talk about question number 3. Let us talk about question number 3. Okay. Now question number 3 says, question 3, what is the circumference of a circle, the area of which is 314 centimeters square, given pi is equal to 3.4. Sorry, this is 3.14, not 3.4, but this is 3.14, 22.7. Okay, that means 21 and 1 carry 10, so 3.14 pi is equal to, not 3.4. That is a question number 3. So what is given to us? Here we are given circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? The area of which is given. Okay, the area, we are given here the area of a circle. Okay, is equal to, we are given here 314 square centimeter. This is area. To find here, what is the circumference? Find the circumference of the circle. This is the required thing. Solution. We know that area of a circle is equal to pi into r square. Okay, where r is the radius of the circle, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, but this is first equation. But area of the circle here, is equal to 314 square centimeter. Square centimeters or centimeter. Okay, therefore this is second equation. To from first and second equations we get pi into r square is equal to 314. Alright, for r square radius we can calculate here. So r square equal to 314 upon 22 upon 7. My dear friend, 32 upon 7 let me find out. Here it was 314 upon pi. The value of pi we know that this is 3.14. That means point, if I cancel out, multiply them by 100 into 100, so this is 100 times, and this is point cancel out. This is one time. Only 100 is the r square value. So r square equal to 100, r is equal to square root of 100. That means 10 centimeters. So radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. Okay, now what is the circumference? Therefore circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi into r. Okay, so value of r which we have just calculated is 10. 2 into pi is 3.14. We are given here r is 10 centimeter. 2 into this is 2 into 31.4. The point one decimal will come to the right of this, to the right of this, so then 31.4 into 2, that means 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, which is 6, 62.8. This is the answer here, 62.8. This is the answer, meters. So this is circumference, so this is the answer here. Okay, so question number 3 completed. Circumference here we had to calculate. That has been calculated. Now let us take question number 4. Before that, let me clean this. Okay, now question number 4. What does it say? Let me see. Guys, question number 4 here. Question number 4. Okay, what did it say? Now it says, question number 4 says, find the circumference of a circle, the radius of which is 42 meters. Simple. So this question is simple here. To find, or what is given to us? Given here, the radius of a circle, we are given, of a circle is 42 meters. To find here area of the circumference, to find the circumference. To find the circumference is a simple question. Circumference of the circle. So we have to find out what is circumference of the circle. Solution. Since circumference of a circle is given by 2 into d, pi into d, either this is pi into d, where d is diameter, or equal to 2 pi into r. Here d is the diameter, and r is the radius. So in terms of radius or in terms of diameter, This is square unit area for circumference. This is in meters or unit. Here it is in meters. So in meters we can calculate circumference. Putting the value of r, because it is in terms of r, radius is 40. Here r is equal to, here r or radius is equal to 42 meters. Therefore circumference is equal to 2 into pi. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r. R is 42. 7, 6 are 42. 6 to the 12. 12 into 22. That means 12 to the 24. 4 to carry 12. 12 to the 24 and to 26. So 264 meters. This is circumference. So unit is meters. Only meters, not square meters. Area is square meters. So this is circumference here, 264 meters. Answer. This is circumference. Question number 4 complete. Okay, let us take next question. Now question number 5. Let us talk about question number 5 now. What does question number 5 say? Question number 5. 5 says, find the radius of a circular field, the circumference of which measures this much. Okay. So to find here, circumference is given. What is given to us? We are given here in 5th question. We will find out the radius undoubtedly, but circumference is given. Circumference of a circle is 5 and 1.2 kilometers. Okay, to find here radius, find the radius of the circular field. Find the circumference of a circular field. This is circular field. Sorry. A circular field is this much. Circumference of a circular field is given. To find the radius of the field, circular field. To find the radius of the circular field. Find the radius of the circular field, of a circular field. Find the radius of the circular